Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome back, and hello to anyone that is new. My name is Ellis, I'm a mum of 2 boys, and over here I share so much content from cleaning and interiors to female entrepreneurship, how to grow a business, law of attraction and so much more. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, then I would love to have you over here. Click the little red subscribe button somewhere down here, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying my content. However, today I'm sharing for you a what I got for my birthday video. Now this was highly requested over on my Instagram, and my birthday was back on the 20th of April, so I have been missing quite a while now over here on the YouTube platform, and I promise I am back. This pandemic has kind of had a bit of an impact on me, and if you follow me over on my Instagram, I'll leave my handle on the screen for you, it's ellissarasmith, then you will know that I've had a bit of a tough time. However, I'm feeling so much better now. I've overcome a lot of my troubles and my worries, and I'm feeling great. So if you want to see what I got for my birthday, then just continue to watch. Okay, so my birthday was during the pandemic. It couldn't have gone any worse if it tried. I wasn't feeling great. I was in a really bad headspace. We were in the prime of lockdown. We weren't allowed out of our homes or anything like that. It was just awful and I absolutely hated it. But that being said, I absolutely loved my birthday. I got to spend it with my husband Adam and my 2 little boys. They were home from school. It was just so lovely and I really treasured those moments. The sun was out on my birthday as well, and it was just a really lovely day. And I got some lovely presents, albeit slightly delayed because the postal service was so mucked up. But lots of my family sent me money, to which I ordered lots of skincare goodies and pampering treats, and I also had a lovely few goodies from my husband as well. So I'm going to jump straight in, and I'm going to start off with the first present, which is the biggie present out of the lot, and it's something I have been idolising for such a long time. Okay, so I don't have the box for this, and I will give you guys a close-up, but this here is my baby. I have wanted this since it was released last year or the year before now. It is the Neon Diffuser. I think they call it the Neon Wellbeing Pod actually, and I am obsessed. So for anyone that doesn't know me, I love all things essential oils. I've really gotten recently, just due to everything I've been going through, back into my meditation and law of attraction and showing gratitude and everything like that, and I have been lusting over this for ages because the one that I had, I think was like a £10 one off Amazon that was about 5 years old, and it just didn't look very nice on my bedroom counter. So Adam actually got this as my main gift for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. It's got this like gorgeous ceramic top to it, which is stunning, and this lovely rose gold feature when it's lit up, and I will insert some shots of it. It shines the most amazing colours. Oh, I just love it. And I also got with this an oil. It was a sleep blend, I think it is. Again, I will leave everything linked below in the description box so you can go and find exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, I absolutely love this. It looks gorgeous on my side. It is so worth every single penny. It's very expensive for what it is. In terms of, normally I would never spend this much money on a diffuser, but it is worth it in my opinion. And this was a real treat from him. So this was my present from him. He got me 1 or 2 other little presents from the kids, just so they had a couple of presents to give me on my birthday, bless them. And I always like to open my presents as well. I never get to open my own ones. But yeah, I love this. Next up from Adam, I got a pair of slippers, and I've wanted these for such a long time. I have worn these over the past month or so now, so they're a bit dirty. But they did these in 4 different colours. I've wanted a new pair of slippers for ages now, and these ones were from Sainsbury's. They were £6. I was super impressed that he managed to find them because I sent him some that were like £30 odd on Amazon. These are exactly the same, and I'd rather have cheaper ones because they only get ruined, don't they? I've had expensive ones in the past and I've ruined them to death. So I actually now, they're so comfortable that I want to go and buy the rest of the colours. And typically my camera battery died. Yeah, so they have them in this colour, a dusky pink, like a darker brown shade, I believe, and also a black. So I definitely want to get some more for £6. They are an absolute bargain and I love them. Now I have dipped into some of this. A lot of it I've been saving, so a lot of it I haven't actually used for almost 2 months now, but some things I have used, and one of the things I have used are these. Now these are called the Face Halo. They're called the Modern Makeup Remover Original White, and they are amazing. I've got one left in here that's clean. And basically the principle of them is they're a makeup remover. I always use a cleanser to take makeup off of my face. I don't use wipes or anything like that, or micellar water or anything like that. I love using a facial cleanser, and I picked up a new one when we went to Florida, and it's like this oil type face cleanser that basically you rub together and it basically melts away your makeup. It is amazing, but then obviously you need to remove it. So I've been using these, and like I said, I've used 2 of them and I really want to get some more. I'll leave everything linked below with the prices as well. I remember these were £18, but they look like this. They're little white and black cotton pads. I think they look really, really cute as well. And you literally can just add water to take your makeup off, but I use a facial cleanser just as like an extra cleanser such. And I absolutely love these. Like I said, you get a pack of 3. They're non-toxic, reusable and recyclable. I literally just pop them in the wash. They're not big and they're like pretty solid, but then when you put them under water, they kind of just loosen up. Highly, highly, highly recommend them if you're looking for some new face cloths. I actually prefer these like muslins or flannels or anything like that. So yeah. I guess the one part about doing a what I got for my birthday video after I've used some of the goodies is that I can actually tell you what I love. And so far, the first 3 things that I've shown you are items that I've used and loved. Okay, so next up, this was an indulgent purchase and I have not used it and I have been dying to use what's inside this box. Picked it up off of Amazon and I have been really into my skincare recently. I'm really trying to work on myself, what I'm putting into my body, and also just trying to get a better night's sleep because I really struggle with that. So inside this box, and I haven't even gotten this out yet, is, oh my gosh, the most gorgeous, I'm actually really worried I might have makeup on my face, the most gorgeous silk pillowcase in this amazing white colour. It's very creased. I will need to pop it in the wash. The quality of it is amazing. I searched around because I wanted to make sure, I'm going to pop it down. I wanted to make sure that I was getting a good quality one that was 100% silk, because I know some of them when I was looking had other fibres and stuff adding into them. So I would leave this one linked below and I just can't wait to sleep on it. I'm really, really excited. And by the time this video goes up, I would have probably used it. So I will leave a little comment next to it in the description box if I loved it, which I'm sure I will. But yeah, I cannot wait to use that. I'm really, really excited. And I know there's meant to be so many different health benefits to using a silk pillowcase. Plus it's meant to be really, really cooling in the summer as well. And we're really, really hot right now. So yeah, hoping that that will work wonders. And then from the same company, I also saw these and thought they looked amazing. And I can't wait again to start using these because I think they're going to really help. But it is an eye mask. Now, I've never used eye masks before, but they had one in black as part of a 2-part set and this gorgeous one in pink and black, which I absolutely loved. And I'm actually really excited. It also came, which I think is really funny, not quite sure where the other one's gone out of that one, but it also came with earplugs. Now I'm thinking these might be really beneficial for blocking out my husband's snoring because that is bad. It is really bad, to the point even last night he had to come down and sleep on the sofa. I was up until 2:30 and could not ignore the snoring next to me. I would love if you guys could let me know. I've seen in the pharmacies they do like these tablets, I guess. They do mouth sprays. They do all these different things for people that snore. So I'm wondering, are they any good? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried them, your husband's ever tried them, your partner, whoever it may be. I'm really intrigued because if they do work, I'm off to the pharmacy today. But yeah, so in the meantime, I'm hoping this will help me get a little bit of extra sleep. Again, this is silk from the same company and it feels so good. I won't put it on because makeup and all that jazz, but I'm really excited to use these. So I'm going to use them tonight as well and I will let you know what I think. Okay, so basically I think I've gone really over the top with the whole silk malarkey. But again, I haven't even used these and I'm really excited. I bought myself some silk hair bobbles, just little cheap ones. They weren't extortionate in price. I just wanted something that was a bit better quality, a bit nicer on my hair. Let's open it without all the rustling. And I really like them. I got these in some really gorgeous colours. It's got like a dusky pink, you've got a really nice beigey colour, a cream colour, like a darker dusky pink, I would say, a black, and like a lilac-y grey, I guess. Love these. They feel so good. These are just for like obviously just chucking my hair up. Yes, they're more expensive than your average hair bubble, but not by much actually. These weren't extortionately priced. So yeah, really excited to use those. And again, I just feel like the benefits on my hair are going to be amazing. I was trying to have a look to see if the packaging said of any benefits, and I'm probably just making it up. But I feel like silk in my hair would be so much better than cotton. I'm literally talking out my backside now. Okay, so we're working our way through, and now I'm onto the skincare goodies and stuff like that. So the first thing that I got was this Cowshed bath and body oil. I wanted something that had like a calming and relaxing vibe to it, that I could run a bath of an evening, pop something in, and then get into the bath and feel really calmed and relaxed, so I would get a good night's sleep, because I was having so many issues with my sleeping. A lot of this actually is focused around sleep and getting a good night. So yeah, you know. But this one is the Cowshed one. It's with the essential oils of lavender, eucalyptus and chamomile, and I absolutely love this. You can apply it to your skin after bathing, or you can use it in the bath as well, which I think is amazing. And yeah, I absolutely love it. It smells divine, absolutely divine. Oh gosh, it just smells like a spa. I haven't actually used it yet, but I've heard good things. Next up, we have this. Now, this is Coco Eve Like a Virgin, and it is a hair mask. Now, any of you guys that have watched previous videos of mine and you've been on my channel for a while will know I had bleach blonde hair for quite a long time, many years, and at the end of last year I dyed my hair back brown, really to try and take better condition of it. I've been blonde for like the longest I think I've ever been blonde for. I'm a bit of a switch swatcher, I don't know. Basically, I swap up my hair colour quite a bit, and it's not good and it's quite damaging, and this was the longest I've ever been blonde for. So I wanted a really good hair mask, so I picked up this, and I love the packaging. It is in the scent Coconut and Fig, which smells divine. And then when you open it up, and now I have actually used this, and it was gorgeous. I absolutely loved it. When you open it up, it says we're coconuts about hair, and you've got like the mask bottle here, the tub, which looks absolutely lovely, and like I said, it smells so good, and there's loads in there. And then they also give you like this mini little tangle teaser, which I think is really cute as well. I am more of a wet brush girl, but that tangle teaser, although it's not the official tangle teaser, that brush is really good, and great for in the shower, because my wet brush I don't really use in the shower, I use it afterwards. So that was fab for brushing it all through, and I really like this. If you're looking for something to pop on your hair, then you can look into this. However, the next thing I picked up to really look after my hair, that I have used for years and years now, and finally topped up my at-home stuff, is this Olaplex. Now, I used to use this, I think the first time I was introduced to this was about 5 years ago now, when I went blonde a little bit before my wedding, and they can use it in the salons. So they've got ones they use in the salons, and there's like an extra treatment they can do with it and all stuff like that, and it's so good at protecting the hair. And I'm pretty sure, if I'm right, when I was blonde they actually mix it in, like they can actually mix the Olaplex in with the bleach or whatever they're doing your hair with, and it's part of it, or it's part of a treatment afterwards, I'm not quite sure, but it really does help with the condition of your hair, and I absolutely love this. So I picked up the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is number 4, and then you've also got the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which is number 5. Number 3 I think is like some sort of treatment, and then I don't know, 1 and 2 what you use in the hairdresser salon. I'm sure they are. I can't remember though. But I absolutely love these. They are pricey, and these are quite small little bottles as well. But I'm going to be using these. I haven't even used these, like this new bottle again, this new set. But I'm going to be using these about once every few weeks, or just when I think my hair needs it. But they're really good. It says repairs, strengthens and hydrates all hair types. And it really does do the job. Like if you're looking for something to be really intense, you can buy whatever you like out of Tesco's or B&M or whatever it may be. Nothing will help as much, in my opinion, as this. Okay, so before I do the final few skincare items, I'm going to share another thing. Again, this was another little purchase for myself. I have wanted one of these, you know, for years and years, and I never got one, because I just thought, oh, do you know what, what's the point? But actually, I need one, because I just manually carry everything, and this is so much easier. So I finally picked myself up one of these in like more of a grey wood colour, which I absolutely love. It was just off of Amazon. It's really good condition, probably a little bit pricey, and the kids have started to break it, which I'm a bit worried about considering I haven't even used it yet. Picked this up on Amazon. It's just a stair basket, so pop it on my stairs, pop everything in there. At the end of the evening I can bring it all up, empty out in the evening or the morning, and then bring everything downstairs back in the morning, and I'm hoping it will stop that clutter from building. So yeah, love that. And then I'm on to my final few products, which are all by Pixi. I absolutely love Pixi products. I've got the Glow Tonic, I have got another type of face wash type thing as well. I've got so many different things, but I picked up some extra bits. So this one here that I've got is called the 40 Eye. Never tried this one before, but it is basically a load of eye masks, and they're like jelly type eye masks. I tried one of these out the other day. They are amazing. Oh, if I can even get it out. They come in this little pot here, which I love. And yeah, they're like jelly eye masks, and basically you pop them out. They've got like a little scoopy thing that you pop them out with. It says instantly toning and lifting hydrogel patches. And I'm really conscious that I'm getting older, that I'm starting to develop a few lines, stress, bags under my eyes, you name it, it is all there. So I need every little bit of help that I can, because I'm not the type of person, unfortunately, that likes the idea of Botox. I would desperately get it if I wanted to. However, I am terrified of needles, surgery, just everything like that. So yeah, this says under eyes are rejuvenated, restored and replenished, contains botanical collagen to help fortify and smooth skin, and peptides tone while caffeine energizes under the eye area. So, you know, I like these, they're really good. Like I said, I've only tried out one lot of them so far, but absolutely love that. The other thing that I picked up was the Pixi Glow Mud Mask with ginseng and sea salt. Again, love this. It says that it brightens and clarifies. It's a mineral-rich detoxifier, rejuvenates and stimulates. Is pore clearing. So I was going to get, I want to say it's either called Pink Sky or Sand and Sky. I can't remember which way around it is. It comes in a pink bottle. I think it's in a pink bottle, but it's called Sand and Sky. I've had loads of the testers from my Glossy Box subscription that I have. So I always using those, but thought I'd try out the Pixi one. So I'm excited to give that a go. But yeah, looks as though I picked up quite a bit, but I actually got loads of this stuff on offer because they had like a huge 20% off on Look Fantastic and a few other places that I picked up these items from. So I actually got myself a right good old bargain with all of it. And I very rarely shop for myself. I don't really do birthdays and stuff like that, and if anyone ever gives me money, I generally end up spending it on the boys and stuff like that. So I've really made a good conscious effort to try and perk myself up during isolation, which I still haven't used it all though. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what I got for my birthday. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I would love for you to give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you all again very shortly. Bye guys!
On a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight. No.